Welcome to Inspiring English Academy. Answer these questions. Are you on the cover page? Are they on the floor? Are these toys on the carpet? Are students on the guest list? Are ministers careful? Are boys careless? Are girls polite? Are sentences correct? Are members happy? Are tests early? Are words wrong? Are students in the classroom? Are employees busy right now? Are visitors 10 minutes late? Are your friends powerful? Are players on the playground? Are guests in the library? Are foreigners from Mexico? Are workers fortunate? Are tourists at the beach? Subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.